Once upon a time, in the heart of the savannah lived Zanzibar, a lion who was known for his lack of wisdom. Unlike his fellow lions, who were revered for their strength and cunning, Zanzibar was infamous for his foolishness. One sunny morning, Zanzibar woke with a grand idea. He decided to replace his daily hunting with a plan for growing fruit trees. Why waste energy chasing prey when I can grow my own food? He thought. Zanzibar gathered seeds from various fruit plants in the savannah and began to dig. His friends, the antelope and zebra, watched in amusement. A lion who gardens? Now, this is something, they chuckled. As weeks passed, nothing sprouted from the soil Zanzibar had so diligently tilled. The zebra doubted, saying, "Maybe you're doing it wrong. Lions aren't meant to farm." But Zanzibar, too proud to admit his ineptitude, stubbornly persisted. One day, while Zanzibar was engrossed in his gardening, a clever fox approached. "Zanzibar, why are you wasting your time with seeds?" he asked slyly. "Because soon I will have an endless supply of food without having to hunt," Zanzibar replied. The fox grinned and said, "Let me help you. I have a special fertilizer that can make your plants grow overnight." With great enthusiasm, Zanzibar accepted the fox's offer. The fox, however, planned a trick. That night, he scattered thorny bushes over Zanzibar's garden. The next morning, Zanzibar awakened to find his garden filled with spiky foliage. His paws were pricked and his pride hurt. Just then, the elder lion of the pride, Rafiki, approached him. "Zanzibar, your wisdom is not in farming. Each creature has its role. Ours is to hunt and maintain the balance," Rafiki advised. Realizing the folly of his ways, Zanzibar decided to return to hunting, acknowledging that his strength and instincts were his real assets. The other animals never let Zanzibar forget his attempt at gardening, but they admired his bravery to try something different. From then on, Zanzibar became wiser, understanding that it is essential to know one's strengths and weaknesses. He also grew to be a bit of a local legend, the lion who tried to grow a garden in the heart of the savannah. And so, while Zanzibar retained the nickname, the Stupid Lion, he wore it with pride, knowing that his experience had taught him to be wiser.